Alright guys, it's like the fourth time I have shot this video. Got a Master 930 here. It's a 930 6230. The keyway may be a little bit different between the normal 930s. Lock does work. Here's a look at the key bitting. I'll pick it open. About one of the main differences when I pick this lock open is I gotta use a little bit wider tension tool versus the regular 930s. If I use my normal tension tool, it just binds up in the bottom of the keyway. There it is, open. Master 930, 6230. Like I said, the only difference between the regular 930 and this lock here is probably the keyway. Here's a look at the key bitting. As always, hope you guys have a good one, and I hope this video doesn't get blocked again.